Hello Vita, how are you? Today we are discussing about your book second, Snapshot, first chapter, The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. Okay, Aram and Murad, both are main character of this chapter, were two poor boys who belonged to the Armenian Garogalian family. Both are belong to the Armenian Garogalian family who were known for their honesty since the 11th century. One early morning, when Aram was asleep and was enjoying pleasant dream, his cousin Murad showed up to his window with a beautiful white horse. Aram could not believe it and was thinking it was a dream. But since there was a little light outside, he knew this for sure that the horse was real. As they were poverty stricken, he couldn't believe that the horse was their own. He was trying to figure out if the horse had been stolen by his cousin. That's of all, he was confused, and Murad had come to invite him for a ride long. He asked him to make it quick before everyone in the world wakes up. Aram wore his clothes and jumped out of the window and sat behind Murad on the horse. They rode on the old countryside of the area. Of the area where they lived, Walnut Avenue. After some time, Murad asked him to get off as he wanted to ride the horse alone. Sometime they were riding, and at the end, Murad wanted to ride alone. Asked him if he could also ride the horse alone just like him, to which Murad said they will see, as it was for his own safety. He got to know that Murad had stolen the horse a month ago and was riding it every morning. When Aram got his chance of a ride, the horse took him to the vineyard and threw him off and ran away. After searching for 30 minutes, Murad finally managed to find the horse and they hid him in deserted vineyard that had some oats and alfalfa. And alfalfa means little mosses, yeah, little plants. Murad had a way with everything, especially horses. He knew how to handle every type of animal and also humans. Every morning for 2 weeks, they would take the horse for a ride and then hide it again. One day, John Barrow, next character, John Barrow came to Arm's house to talk to his uncle Khosrow, who was an irritated and loud man who shouted at almost everything. Barrow told him about his missing horse, whom he bought at $60. Who said? John Barrow said to Uncle Khosrow, for 1 month He couldn't find it and he walked for 10 miles to come there to house. Khosrow rode at him and told him, "It is no harm. It is no harm, pay no attention to it." Barrow became irritated by his attitude and he went away. Aram went to Murad and told him about the missing horse of Barrow and asked him not to return the horse until he learns to ride. Murad told him that it would take 1 year for him to learn to ride the horse. He further angrily added that they could not be thieves as their tribe is known for honesty and said that they would return the horse after 6 months. Okay. One day, on their way back to hide the horse, the hidden spot, they met John Barrow, who was going back to the town. He talked to them and carefully examined the horse. He admitted that the horse looked exactly like the one he had, but since he knew his parents and the honesty of their family, he didn't believe that they had his missing horse. He assumed it was a twin horse. Murad managed to let Barrow assume that it was not his horse, so they went away. The next morning, both of them took the horse back to Barrow's vineyard and put it in the barn. The dog followed them all along quietly and they left the place. The same afternoon, John Barrow came back to his house to tell his mother about his horse who had come back. He was happy and was surprised. Astonished means surprised to see the horse better temper and it was stronger than ever. Uncle Khosrow again roared, "Quit, man, quit. Your horse has been returned. Pay no attention to it." Okay, beta. I hope you should understand the summary of this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.